TeamFullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I want to come and share with you guys some few pieces that I picked up from Zalando. I am more gravitating into quality pieces instead of going for fast fashion, because one thing I've learned about fast fashion is that the materials the colors get fade, and the material, I don't know, there's something, it doesn't feel good, you know. And I've realized also when I pick up more quality pieces, they last very, very long time. I have some few outfits that I picked up, which are more like on the more quality side. I've had them like for 5, 6, 7 years and they still look good. I have a dress in my closet. I was just cleaning my closet this week, and I have a dress there that I was like, wow, I had this dress for over 10 years, because I remember I got this dress when I was pregnant with my daughter. I know I was pregnant and I'm not going to wear the dress, of course, because the dress is not for pregnant women. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to give birth. I'm going to look normal again, and I'm just going to buy the dress. And I gave birth. My body remains the same, and I wear the dress, and I really, really loved it. I've worn this dress multiple times, and then I was just going through my clothes, and I saw this dress, and I'm like, wow, this dress is still looking good. It's over 10 years, because my daughter is now 10 years, so the dress is over 10, because I was really early in my pregnancy when I picked up that dress, and I thought, you know what? It was, when I look at the dress, it's really worth the amount that I purchased it for, because it still looks good. And I'm also very gentle with my clothes, you know. There's certain dresses I don't really wash on high heat. I do most of my outgoes where I wash with hand. I do hand wash in the washing machine, like 30 degrees hand wash, cold wash. If I'm washing black dresses, I use the wash powder for black, and I also add a little bit of sea salt and azine into the dryer, so at least the black still stays black. It's a technique that I learned from social media. It's something I learned, how to make sure that your black dresses preserve and they look really good, because I have a lot of black in my wardrobe. So yeah, so today I want to come and share with you guys the 5 pieces I picked up from Zalando. Of course, yes, they are black, but I do have some beautiful colors I feel like some of you are going to really like. And the black are also really, really good. A really, really good outfit. You can wear this in the summer, in the winter, any season of the year. You can wear this. You can either style it down or style it up. It all depends on you. For me, I don't really go with this fashion season. I just buy what I feel like looks good on me. And if it's winter, I know how to style it for me to feel comfortable in it in the winter. And if it's summer, I also know how to style it for me to feel comfortable in the summer. Before we jump into the outfit haul, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. If you are interested in any of these pieces, please let me know in the comment box, and I will send you the link. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much. One of the dresses that really caught my eyes, let me share it with you guys. I saw it on Instagram on this actress, and so I was looking for an orange dress. I saw one, but then it was sold out. You know, they didn't really have my size for the longest time, and I thought, you know what, maybe it's time to let it go. Let me look for something else. And then I was scrolling on Instagram, and I saw her. I don't know if I can. I saw her in this orange dress, and I'm like, oh my God, this looks so beautiful. And I'm like, where can you find this dress? And I realized that this brand also sell dresses on Zalando. This is what I'm talking about. Bring it close. This is the dress. And I realized that this brand also sell dresses on Zalando. So I decided to go on Zalando and look at it. And then I saw it on Zalando. I looked at the price and I shouted, Jesus Christ. I shouted, Jesus Christ. And I was like, you know what? Let me put it in my wish list You never can tell. So one of the dresses is this beautiful orange dress. I will leave you guys to go on Zalando and look at the price up because I don't want to talk about the price, but it is quite expensive. And I really love this, and I thought, you know what, I deserve it. I work really hard, and I haven't really gotten myself a lot of things. 2024, I didn't really I didn't get myself many things, and I thought, you know what, I deserve it. So let me get it. I didn't get that much for myself, and I thought this is a perfect present just to tell myself thank you for all the hard work. So I got me this one. And what else? What else do I have in my wish list? And I also have this beautiful red dress that I also picked up. And I really, really liked it. I was like, okay, this is so beautiful. It's really, really nice. I picked this one up. I feel like I love how it looks on her, and I know it's gonna look good on me as well because it's long, it's choke neck, and I thought it's really, really beautiful. I picked this up, so these are really, really nice. What else? Okay, I also picked up some 2 coats for my daughter, but she already started wearing those coats. And I also picked up this beautiful piece as well. It's a black dress, like a mini dress, but really, really good. You can actually style it however you want to. Like I said, you can style it up, you can style it down. All depends on you and how you like to wear your outfit. I also pick up this dress. It's really, really beautiful. Really, really nice. I will leave all the names of the brands in the screen so you guys can check it out. But this is so nice. So these are the 5 pieces that I picked up. I really, really liked it. I have a bunch of things in my wish list. I have like 99 stuff. 99 stuff in my wish list. And yeah, hopefully you all will like it because I know I loved it. Give this video a thumbs up. So this is the pieces that I picked up from Zalando. I don't have my glasses on because the light will penetrate on it, so that's the reason why. Hopefully you all like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which one is your favorite. Personally, I like all of them. I love every single piece that I picked up. I love the black one, I love the orange, I love the red, I love every single piece. I don't really have a favorite. I love all of them because I feel like all of them look so amazing on me. But I would like to know which one is your favorite. Let me know in the comment box. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. TeamFullest. See you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.